I want to have a place of my own. I work for a hospital when I came here to the United States, and as good as the environment is, I didn't really get to do what I like, especially introducing the idea of how acupuncture and herbs help with the body. Well, when I started my clinic, I didn't really think much. The only thing that was on top of my mind is that I want to have a place of my own. I work for a hospital when I came here to the United States, and as good as the environment is, I didn't really get to do what I like, especially introducing the idea of how acupuncture and herbs help with the body. I appreciate the fact that they started, conventional medicine, especially the doctor, the people that manage the conventional medicine, that they recognize the effectiveness or the use or the application of complementary medicine, especially Chinese medicine. I appreciate the idea. However, I feel that there's still something missing. And of course, I probably won't be able to change the whole environment, so I create one of my own. The most unique part of my practice is that I think my training, this training actually is, back in Taiwan and China, it's not just focusing on the traditional Chinese medicine part of things, but also the conventional medicine. Why is it unique? Because a lot of time there's almost no possibility that we can find someone that never take antihistamine, never take an ibuprofen, never take a laxative. So they are certain influence of that conventional medicine or antibiotic, for example. However, these medicines sometimes come with side effects and come with the disruption of a certain function. So by knowing conventional medicine, as part of my medical training, it helps us to know more how we can support this patient with Chinese medicine. And I think that's the most unique part of how my practice is different from other people. And the other thing is that because I came from a culture that embedded really strongly with Chinese medicine, so a lot of time I can guide my patient to how to use that in our daily life. I see that maybe the patient with migraine, chronic migraine, and I can tell them that okay, there's some imbalance in you, so the qi deficiency is going to kind of reflect when the weather change. So why I can explain clearly why would the weather change cause the migraine to flare up or attack. So I think because Chinese medicine is already in a part of my life. And on top of that, with my professional training, I think I can help the patient guide it from a very different light of things. And that way, so not to make this just medicine, it's your lifestyle, it's how you see things. And I think that's the uniqueness about me. When I talk about my specialty, definitely from my background, I specialize in women's health, in neurology or neurological disorder or degeneration, and helping with the infertility. But it's not going to be limited to that, because when we are talking about Chinese medicine, how it focuses on the whole body, this can be, the things that is neurology could also reflect on endocrine system. So it's not going to be limited. However, the best suited for my practice best suited for will be women. Why is that? Not because only women needs it, but a lot of time when I see women is that they are wearing different hats, like a mother, a teacher, a daughter, somebody's sister, somebody's niece. And being a woman, a lot of time we want to nurture the world, but when we forget to nurture ourselves, it's not going to be that good. That it's not so much of a nurturing, it's depletion. So I want to show or send out a message as we need to nurture ourselves first, because as a wife, as a mother, as a daughter, as a caretaker, as a community leader, if we don't fill our own cup, there's no way we can fill other people's cup. So I think that's why I said, if you resonate with me, if you have any of the women's health issue or anything with neurological issue, I think my practice will be best suited for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.